Hello, this is question 1 on your mix exercise 3 from year 13. On the same axis, you have to sketch the graph of y equals 2 minus x and y equals 2 absolute value of x plus 1. And then after that, we have to find the intersection. So this one is a straight line. The gradient is minus 1. The y-intercept is 2. So we can very easily... So if this is a y-intercept, this one, 2, and the gradient is minus 1, so we can draw something like this, more or less, yeah? Something like this, yeah? This is y equals 2 minus x. To represent this one, there are a few ways of doing it. I would say the easiest is represent x plus 1, the absolute value, and then multiply by 2, just doing a vertical stretch. So the absolute value of x plus 1, we can represent x plus 1 and then mirror everything that is under the x-axis. So x plus 1 is quite straightforward because it's a straight line, gradient 1. So I'm going to draw it like this because we are going to mirror it. Yeah, so it will carry down, but we are not going to draw anything underneath. So we will mirror the negative side. So this one is x plus 1, the absolute values of x plus 1. If we multiply that by 2, we are going to do a vertical stretch. So the root will be in the same place, but the y-intercept is going to be multiplied by 2. So instead of 1, it's going to be 2. So my new line, the one that actually I have to make the intersection with, is going to be something like this. Here and here. So we have to find the intersection. So for the second part, we have to find the intersection between the two lines that we have. So actually it would be this point that is clear that is 2. This one was 1. And this one that is not that clear because the drawing is not perfect. We will have to find it, yeah? So the best way of doing it would be just finding the actual intersection using the equation. So when we find the intersection between a line and absolute value function, this function is going to have like two branches. One, which is the positive version of that, so really 2 times x plus 1. And this one is really the mirror of this part. So we are going to find this line doing minus 2x plus 1. Yeah, so we have two versions which are 2x plus 1 is the positive branch and the other is going to be minus 2x plus 1. So if you want, we can find the intersection between this one and this one, although it's clear that it's 2. But to find the intersection with the other one, we are going to get the negative branch and we are going to make it equal to the black line. That was the x minus 2. The x minus 2? No, 2 minus x. 2 minus x. We expand brackets, so minus 2x minus 2 is going to be 2 minus x. So we have 2x minus x is x and minus 4. Yeah, so x is minus 4 and that is point A. So point A is going to be, they say the x, find the values of x. Yeah, so we don't need to find the y. So I'm going to say that for A, x is minus 4. And for B, we know that x is 0 because it's in the x-axis. Yeah, and that's all. So this is it with this question.